Hello. Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. This is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with an all levels flow that requires no props. And we're going to begin standing at the top of your mat, your space. Bring the palms to touch. Stand evenly between the feet. You can lift, spread, lower the toes. And take a few rounds of breath as you bring yourself to the present moment. Feel the temperature of your space. Relax the temples and begin to breathe in and out through the nose. Arrive. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up, lengthen. Exhale, swan dive forward. Keep the knees soft if you need to. Press to stand. Palms touch. We're going to lift the heels, stand on the toes. Balance. And lower the heels. Try to keep the crown of the head up where it was. We are now a little bit taller. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Press to stand. Palms touch. Again, lift on to the toes. Try not to arch the back. Relax the shoulders. And lower. Whoops. Ground's not completely stable. Bend both knees. Utkatasana, chair pose. Arms overhead. Press to stand, palms touch. Remember, commit to the present moment. Notice how you've already shifted your energy in just a handful of breaths. Inhale, reach the arms wide and above your head. Maybe the hips go forward a couple of inches. Open up the front of the body. Breathe in. Lift out, fold forward. Bend the knees and sit down. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold the outsides of the feet. Roll the shoulders back and down. And fold over butterfly legs. I wore bug spray today, in case you remember how fun it was for me yesterday. I know you were worried. Let's cross the feet at the ankles and make our way to a tabletop for 3, cat, cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, open up. And round. Press the tops of the feet down. Once more. Neutral. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, downward facing dog. Pedal this out if you need or want to. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width. Weight in the front part of the hands. Relax the head and the neck. Stand on the left foot, reach the right leg back and up. Keep the hips square, foot flex, knee facing the mat. Squeeze the right glute to lift the leg. Step the right foot up between your hands. Lunge. Lunge, twist, left hand down, right arm up. Right hand back down. Right foot back to a plank. Hold. Downward dog. Balance on the right foot. Left leg lifts. Lunge. Left side. If you need to, you can lower the right knee and scoop the heel forward. Remember to pay attention to the lower belly a little extra as the hips start to open up. Right hand down, left arm reaches, lunge, twist. Left hand down. We're back to plank. Downward dog. Find stillness this time as you press down and away with the hands. Press the heels down, relax the head and neck. Lower the knees, tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Let's sit down and face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot extends. Sit evenly between the sit bones. I'm getting a few bites, that's okay. Left arm up and over. Side body reach. Sit up, baby wild thing. We usually do this after a little bit longer, so just be mindful that you might not have as much space as you're used to. Notice how it feels different, or if it feels different, that's okay. If it doesn't, right foot in, left foot out. Right arm up and over. Lift up. Baby wild thing. Other side. And sit down. Bring the left foot in. Roll the shoulders around. Maybe move the torso. Just move the head and the neck. Shake out the wrists. And inhale, lift the arms above the head. Twist to the right, float the arms down, sit up tall. Draw the right shoulder blade back. Release through center, arms reach wide and overhead. And twist to the left. Come back to center, reach the arms up and overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands down to heart center. Close the eyes for a moment. You have everything you need right now. Be grateful for your presence. Be thankful, grateful for your presence, for your thoughts, your ideas. Before you open the eyes, let's be aware that we'll feel the light. Go ahead and blink the eyes open, reabsorb the light, reemerge. Let's close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Thank you for joining me for this short flow. Thank you. Namaste. All right, that was short and sweet. I've been up early, since early. I took a really long walk. I went over to this little lake over here, took my dad his coffee, and he was snoring. He's completely asleep still, which meant the house was kind of quiet and nice. And what else? Have you added me on Instagram yet? Doubt it. Just kidding. Not really. And have you checked out some of my short videos? I did a one that was like walking South Florida or something, and a lot of people saw it, which was kind of exciting. And maybe you saw the video I filmed after I did that one, like the class, because it was like, all right, I think I'm boring you. I need a smoothie. I kind of want like more of a breakfast. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Stay cool. Namaste. Stay cool.